Welcome to the Windows Computer and Technology channel, and a alliance is forming with some browser makers, Chrome, Opera, Vivaldi, WaterFox, and Wavebox are joining hands to fight against Microsoft Edge. So what the alliance is saying is that Microsoft Edge, and of course in Windows, isn't fair, isn't always respecting your choice of browser. The alliance says, well, when you download your favorite browser or another browser than Microsoft Edge, that choice should be respected. And what they want is that the European Commission to list Microsoft Edge as a gatekeeper under their Digital Markets Act. So that would mean that if you use another browser, it should be regarded as something that Edge cannot change or, do anything about it or try to annoy you in some way about using it. We know that, already it was a little complicated in Windows 10, but when Windows 11 arrived, it was truly a problem where making the change of the browser to a default app was a tough one. You'd go and check default apps, and what would happen is that Edge was not that easy to remove as your default app, and a lot of the things were still open with other browsers, with Edge rather than your favorite browser. That's it. So what happened is that there was a lot of complaint about it. And at some point, there was a lot of people saying, well, this isn't right. You can't just, bully us into using your favorite browser. So one of the interesting things about it is that, of course, Google Chrome is part of it. And Chrome did say, well, we are pursuing, we want to be part of this group and support that group because we think that it's a nice gesture that, some groups out there try to work and make sure that, this is respected as a choice for browser. And of course, at the same time, we kind of know that all these browsers have and share a common background, which is the Chromium, open source browser. So this is going to be interesting to see what happens with that. But it is also interesting to note that there are some other browser makers that are well known. I think of Firefox or Brave that decided not to join this alliance. So this is also interesting. Why are you not joining? What's the problem? What do you not like about this alliance, or maybe you don't want to be part of it? So it's kind of interesting too. But definitely one of the things that we need to have is respect on the part of Microsoft, and especially with Microsoft Edge. If you choose another browser, well, let it be, and that's the way it is. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up. Thank you for watching.